I'm Mark from Crandall Office Furniture. I'm going to show you how to take a Series 1 arm pad off of the chair and then reinstall it. So this is the only screw for the arm pad. It's a SQ1. It's a square drive bit. So it's a very small screw, the only screw that is required to remove this arm pad. Then you're going to grip the arm pad and you're going to slide it backwards all the way for removal. So these tabs here will slide into this in the back and on the sides. So you're going to push down with a little bit of force, slide all the way forward, looking at the seam to make sure it's all seated, and then you're going to reinstall your square drive screw. Reinstall the square drive screw with light pressure. And that's it. Hopefully this video helped you on the Series 1 arm pad installation and removal. If you have any questions, reach out to us at crandalloffice.com.
Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to click the like and subscribe buttons below. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us at crandalloffice.com or on our Facebook page.